You can see this amazing website. Today we gonna try how can we build it. To make it, first of all we need to install a plugin in our WordPress dashboard, premium add-ons. By using this we can use these premium features. To make it possible, we need to open a page on our Elementor and drag a visit to our page, premium horizontal scroll. After getting your page, you can see these options: content, and you will already find a few pages. Let's see. This is the first section. It's displaying on our display. You can import here pages using section ID or Elementor templates. We have imported our pages here by templates. You can see our template name here, and you can also give different transition and different background to every template. You just need to put elements in your templates. Here is another background behind the another template, and here you will see a few options for background transition speed, verticals, offset, and here is another option, advanced settings. You can adjust your viewport, last slide distance, offset, scroll type, decrease scroll speed. Let's discuss scroll type. There are two types of scroll type: normal, snappy. By normal, what we are using here, we have to scroll multiple times to get another slide on our display. We can also use snappy to get different slide by scrolling once, like this, but we are using normal slide. And here, decrease scroll speed. We can adjust speed of scroll of these templates, opacity, keyboard scrolling, and you'll find another option: navigation, pagination number, responsive setting. So let's see how these templates are made. You can see these elements are moving, and when we are scrolling, the small elements are scrolling as well. Let's come to dashboard. You will find templates here, and just go to add new. So we don't need to go here, we have already created few sections. Now here you will find there is black background, but it's just for you because it's transparent, then you could not see the elements. That's why I put it black background here. Here we have put it just your normal thing, introduce like title, buttons, headings, and few images here. And to use these elements, we need to use premium image layers. By using this, we can give different motion, different thing on scroll or just floating, moving. You just need to drag this option in your page. Here you can see few templates, how it's created, how we can give scroll fade, this, and another. Here you can see this element we have just put it by using this image layer, and by scroll it moves like this. Then you can see how we have built it, and it's easy to build. Thank you.